Alright, welcome back to Poindeo. In the following videos, we're diving into one of our most powerful features, zoom effects. This feature lets you create smooth zoom animations to videos, static images, and even PDFs. It's perfect for creating product demos, step-by-step guides, or explaining detailed files. Today, we'll first focus on adding zoom effects to a video. It's super easy, let's get started. First, let's get a video onto the timeline. Just click to upload your video, and remember you can upload multiple files at once. Once uploaded, it will automatically appear on the timeline. Before we add any zoom points, you can always tweak the basics over here, the canvas panel, like the background image. Okay, now play the video. Pause it where you want to highlight. And click. Play the video, pause it, and click directly. That's it. What you click is what you zoom. Every time when you clicked, the zoom animation is created instantly, and this point editing panel opens up. This is where you can adjust zoom points in the details. You can add descriptive text. For example, step 1, step 2. And then adjust the zoom level, large or small, movement speed, slow or fast, and customize your text style, like font, color, position. Then you can play the video to see how the animations look. And you also have full control here on the timeline. If you think the zoom starts lately, click and drag it to make it earlier, or drag the handle to control the zoom duration. To delete a zoom point, select it and hit backspace. To reset all the zoom animations, hit the clear button. If you need to make more changes, just select the zoom on the timeline again to bring back the point editing panel. So you can just repeat the process to add more zoom points to show the steps. Play the video, pause it and click. Play, pause, and click. If you want a consistent style for all zoom points, you can click Apply to Current Scene. This will copy the zoom level, speed, and text style, including zoom position, to every single point. Next, head over to the Cursor panel for another cool feature. See this Draw Points toggle? When you turn this on, all the zoom points will get a numbered marker on the canvas. This is absolutely perfect for step-by-step guides where you want to lead your viewer's eye from one spot to the next. Once you're done, you can add background music, adjust the video speed, or brand your video. When everything looks perfect, just hit the export button to save your creation with high quality. So that's how you master the zoom effect in Poindeo. In the next video, I'll show you how to explain an image or PDF with zoom animations and voiceover. That's it for this guide. Happy creating!